Welcome back to another video. And on today's outdoor adventure, we're going to be hitting the hard water for some ice fishing with a very, very special guest. We're going to be traveling by snowmobile to a mini village on the ice. We're going to set up our tent, light the wood stove, and put on a delicious traditional Newfoundland feast. The sun is out, the kettle is on, and the fish are biting. We welcome you to join us on this Newfoundland ice fishing adventure. And don't forget to watch until the end to see if you won the Andrew Moss Outdoors merch giveaway. The wind's a little bit stronger than I was anticipating, but we got our all anchor down and time to get the fire going. Alright, well, we got the wood stove set up. I think we're coming in here for lunch. I don't think we're coming in here to catch any fish. But my buddy Tim Reed just told me that the boys caught a few today, so who knows? Get the worm down the water and might catch a trout. Alright, so we got a table brought, so we're not exactly what you would call roughing it. I figured it was going to be too big, but I think it's not too bad here. What do you think?
Not bad.
No, so gonna get the fire going now and cook up breakfast or brunch. Dinner. Alright. Close her up a little bit.
That little tiny stove, you wouldn't believe it.
I know. It's warm.
I like it.
You like it, Adeline? I tell you, I think we're gonna sell our house and move in here full time. Alright, we got a bunch of snacks. We got some pre-made Toutons balls. That'll be cool. First time I've ever tried them in that form, I think. Got worms, we're not eating them. Got some bacon. I think we're gonna break out our breakfast. Alright, we got a brand new frying pan. I feel guilty for using it here, but it's not gonna touch no flame, so. We got everything, but we're in luxury today. See, every time the man goes in the woods by himself, he can rough it. But when the woman comes, then you gotta be a bit luxurious. Right? You gotta have your spatula, your table. I think we don't got the kitchen sink. Oh, mama, you smell that?
I was gonna say it smells really good.
And you get the sink right there. One, two, three, four, five. This is five shacks here in that cove, and 6, 7, 8, 9, and there's 4 out at the smelts. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful day. Oh, what a difference. Go, Mom. Get a worm down that hole for you.
Yeah.
Yep. I'm gonna catch you a trout, I think. Here, look.
Okay.
This is Mommy and Daddy's day out.
Yeah.
Right? Love you.
Love you.
Alright, well I was just out there playing around with the drone, got some sweet shots, and I come in and Mama got the Toutons. Looking delicious. Holy smokes. Bit of butter and molasses on that now. Let's get more on there. Last to cook is the eggs. Excited. So just want to give a thanks to Scott Martin with MFS Baits. These here I think are their new spoons. I don't know if I've seen them make them before, but they got a few different options, so I'm going to try this here rainbow trout color. And get a worm on and put it down the hole. Blue sky, the wind died out, Toutons and bacon done. I don't think you could beat this. This is awesome. And nice and warm here too. Man, oh man, what a comfort. Oh man, that's gonna be hard to beat, Mama.
That was good.
Well. Oh my goodness. What do you think of that?
Looks good.
Good job, Bob.
You too, Dad.
Promote the full-time cook. Yeah, some molasses. Oh, that's warm. Now that's what you calls a Newfoundland breakfast feast, even though it's only, what, 1 o'clock?
Yeah.
I already had a bite, obviously. Man, what do you think?
Good.
Look at that. Well, this is what we're coming out for. Right, I think the kettle is boiling, absolutely. These here little Nescafe mini coffees, whatever they're called, they are lifesavers. You don't need to bring no sugar or milk, just rip, and you got a medium double. Also, I want to give a big shout out to Aunt Gail for the moose trigger mitts. They'll be good this year, coyote hunting and cutting some firewood. Alright, big cheers to the Green Cup Club. Daryl, Gary, Neil. I don't know who else is in there. Anyway, treat boys, cheers. Well, before I come out today, I messaged my buddy Matt Baker, mayor of Shackville out here. And I asked him what the fishing situation was like, and he said, if you drill a hole and don't catch a trout right away, go on. But anyway, we've been here for about an hour and a half. Alright, so if you watched my video, not last video, but the video before, I said I'm going to do a giveaway for Andrew Master Doors t-shirt. And I'm going to draw that name right now. Hello there everybody, just popping on there to announce the giveaway winner real quick, but I also want to show you my new merch. We got coffee mugs, we got truckers hats, we got hoodies, we got toques, beanies, we got t-shirts, and all these things that you see, they come in a lot of different color schemes and a lot of different colorways. I'll put a link here on the screen and I'll put it in the description as well. Go on Star Creations if you want to support me. This is a great way to do it. I got a YouTube comment picker here and I'm going to put the link in. I'm going to screen record it just so you can see what I'm seeing. Alright, so we got 128 comments and the winner is Glenn Purchase. Let's see if he mentioned, yeah, he said Star Creations. That was one of the things you had to do, was mention Star Creations. So Glenn, you can reach out to me through Facebook or my emails on my YouTube, and we can send you a free hat or shirt, whatever you'd like. I know I said shirt in the last video, but if you want a beanie or a hat, we can definitely get that to you. Also, I want to clarify something real quick. If you want to order something, I do not personally have any stock on me. Mugs, hats, I don't carry any of that stuff. Everything is ran through Star Creations. So if you want to purchase something, go to their website. I've had a few people wonder if I had any merch on me personally. I made away with that because I've tried it before and I just found it was too much to keep up with. So that's why I'm letting Stella with Star Creations take that department over for me. So yeah, I just want to throw it in there. So make sure you go to their website. Again, I'll put the link in the description, and go get yourself some merch. Looks really cool. Thanks again, Star Creations, and back to the video. Alright, so congratulations to the winner. You can contact me through my email or through Facebook or Instagram or whatever, and we're going to get that shipped out to you as soon as we can. Thanks again to everybody who entered, and stay tuned. We'll be doing more giveaways in the future like that. And right now I'm waiting to see if I get a trout. So we've just been hanging out and chatting and everything and for the last 45 minutes, and just kind of jigging here through the ice, and no trout. I think the few people behind us is getting some, and I think the boys way out at the point are getting some. But I think we might pack up in there shortly and maybe just even go out there just to drill a hole and try for a few minutes, or we might just head on home. We had a great little date. What do you think, my love?
It was nice, Dad.
Do it again?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. I think so too. Alright, so we're going to let this fire die out. I'm not putting no more wood in there. And then we're going to head on out. Or head on home. I'm not sure yet. Insight from Mr. Reed that they're catching a lot of smelt over at the point, so that's where we're going to head now. Hey, first smelt of the year. Oh, you got one. Take your finger off the trigger. Take your finger off the trigger.
I didn't know.
Let me hold up now. And reel right close now. Okay.
Ah! I would have been better just squeezing long. Oh! Oh! I'm massively relaxed. Second he come off.
Okay, now take this one back.
Okay, Less than 100 now.
You got me beat 2-1. Alright, well that calls it for our little date. And now we're gonna head home and unpack. Alright y'all, well there you have it. Another beautiful day in Newfoundland. You work all week long and there's blue skies. You get off on the weekend, sometimes it's miserable. But today turned out to be a beautiful day, and I told Anita I appreciate it today for everything it was worth. The delicious lunch, the laughs, the warm wood stove, and top it all off, we got a few smelt. The boys figures that the run haven't come in yet. And just my luck, when we was out there today, there was a big run coming in. So Tim, my buddy, caught 4 dozen. There's a few other fellas there. We were just hauling them up hand over fist. And me and Anita got 3 out of it. But that's enough for a little meal for us. And we'll be going back out soon. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Make sure you click like and subscribe. Congrats again to the winner of the giveaway. And we'll catch you guys on the next one.